How have a lead sitting in your pipeline? They came in a few weeks ago, opened a couple of emails, maybe replied once, and now you're just waiting. Is this deal real? How long is this supposed to take? Today we're talking about how long does it actually take a lead to convert? For B2B deals under $10,000, 2 weeks to 2 months. Mid-market, 2 to 6 months. Enterprise, 6 months to over a year. But here's what most people get wrong. They look at one big average across all their deals. That number tells you almost nothing. What you really want to know is, how long do your best deals take, and can you spot them early? 5 things consistently affect how fast a lead converts. Lead source. Referrals close faster than cold outbound. Always. But most teams average this away. ICP fit. The closer someone matches your ideal customer, the smoother everything moves. Less convincing, less friction. Stakeholder count. One decision maker is fast. A committee of 5 is not. More people means more time every time. Early engagement. Leads that open emails, show up to demos, and reply within the first 2 weeks convert at a significantly higher rate. Those first 14 days are more predictive than most people realize. Stage velocity. A deal that hasn't moved stages in 30 days isn't just slow, it's a signal. Here's something practical. Pull your closed-won deals from the last 12 months. Break them out by lead source, deal size, and segment. Calculate close time per group. You'll almost certainly find 1 or 2 segments closing 2 to 3 times faster than everything else. That's where your energy should go. Then look at your open pipeline. Anything stuck in the same stage for more than 30 days needs a decision. Push it forward or cut it loose. Don't let your pipeline become a wish list. If this was helpful, subscribe.
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.